is the best way to increase your sales. Whether it's about reaching new customers or pursuing the existing ones, Instagram is the platform that you should look into. If you want to promote your WooCommerce products on Instagram, then this video is for you. Hey everyone, this is Sadia from Product Feed Manager, and today I am going to show you how you can generate an accurate Instagram product feed to start boosting your sales. For that, you need the plugin Product Feed Manager for WooCommerce. Once you've installed and activated the plugin, you'll see the product feed option on your dashboard. If you hover this option, you'll get these options. Now to generate a new feed, click on the Add New Feed option. At first, you need to give a title to your feed. I'm just naming it as Instagram Feed. Now from the drop down, you need to select your preferred merchant. Here I am selecting Instagram. Once you select it, you will see all the required attributes will be listed below. As you can see, almost every attribute has already assigned values to them. What you have to do is assign values to any unmapped attribute with the right product data. Instagram requires you to submit manufacturer or brand name, GTN and MPN. So this should be your brand name. Now for the manufacturer or brand name, if you have any brand value saved in your WooCommerce store, you can select this option from the drop down. But if you're the sole manufacturer, you can select this option as static and provide your company name here. Now for the GTN, I'm just assigning a random number, but you need to put here the value that is assigned by your manufacturer. And for the MPN, I'm just selecting this option as attribute and assigning the value of SKU. Alright. Now for the Google product category, you need to set here a category map. You can use our category mapping feature for this. Here you can map your WooCommerce product categories according to the Google product categories. Once you have done that, you can select this map from the drop down. As I have already created a category map, I'm just gonna select it right away. Now before publishing the feed, let's check the settings and feed filter options. If you go to the settings, you'll see the options are already configured, but you can change them based on your preferences. And if you go to the product filter option, you'll see feed rules, custom filter, category filter, tag filter, product filter. With these filters, you can exclude products from your feed or include specific products in your feed. Right now, let's leave them as it is. I'll create a separate video explaining how you can use these filters. Now it's time to publish the feed. For that, click on the Publish button. And your feed will start generating. This feed generation duration depends on how much products you have on your site. Once the loading is done, your feed will be ready. And now you can view the feed, copy the feed link, or download the feed from here. Let's view the feed. See, that's how you can generate an Instagram product feed easily. Now, the next step would be to submit your feed to Facebook Commerce Manager. When you do that, your products will be listed there and you can start promoting on Instagram. So that's it for today. See you in the next video.